Guys, now we'll talk about services. Guys, this is important for a system admin. You need to know like what all the unnecessary services like telnet, FTP or SSH, RDP or any services which are running here, and you can understand the statuses here whether it's running or not, and I'll also show you with the DOS commands, that is later. Now we'll try to, I can show now itself like Netspace. I need to remember Netspace services or Netspace session is used for this one. Netspace start, net account config, net continue, file statistics, stop user view. Netspace start. Yep. The net command we don't have to remember, guys. You need to, because it has lots of combinations, and each combination again, for example accounts, right? If you want to know more about, like for example Netspace computer, what I'm trying to say, yeah, no, now if you put slash add slash question mark, it will be showing how to use the commands. You will also understand how to use the subcommands by passing slash. So now what I entered, Netspace start, it is showing all the only running commands, guys, here, like all the running services. These all are the running services, but if you see here, it is showing the disabled services and the running services here. Okay, now you know how to list all the running services using Netspace start. This is important, guys, for like for forensics of a particular machine. You can know like whether the firewall is running here or Bitdefender firewall is running or not. If it is not there here, that means it was disabled, and event log should be running if it is disabled. These are very important, these two, and they should be running. Being a system admin, you should also always make sure that Windows Update, Windows Security Service, event log defender should be always up and running. Now if I want to stop this Windows Apache MySQL WAMP64, guys, now I want to stop this from the command prompt. So how I can do that? If I try to, I copy the name from there, I don't have to remember, I'll copy the how exactly as it is showing. Net space stop space, it will throw some error, access denied. Then I will try to run as an administrator. Why it is throwing error, guys? To protect the employees or companies, Microsoft or Windows operating system. Is earlier days it used to, like with the low privileges itself, we can stop the services. Let's say if any virus is affected in the machine, and if it is executing this command in the backend, then your WAMP server will be disabled, right? Then no one can access your website. To protect from that, we need to execute this from administrator rights itself. Now net space stop space, how easy is that? We are stopping the WAMP server. Where it is, it's turned to orange. Now I'm gonna make it to start. You can write down in a batch file, and you can keep whenever you want to test it, turn to green color, right? It worked for our scenario. If you are like, if you want to start all the services in all the machines, you simply can create a batch file right now. How to start the firewall, how to start the log events, how to start the Windows updates, those critical commands, like whatever you want, you can put all in a batch file, single batch file, right click and run as administrator. Or else you can, whatever you want to disable, you can execute those commands also. This is very important, guys, for a security admin and system admin.